This is Trapped Soul Pendant. Inside this pendant, there is an animated soul that keeps trying to escape. It's spooky, eye-catching, and perfect to wear on Halloween. To turn it on, just slide the switch at the bottom of the device. If you want to change the soul, turn on the device and wait until something appears on the screen. Then turn it off within 20 seconds and switch it back on. The soul will change to a new one. Alright, let's build it. To build this project, we will need a Waveshare round display with ESP32-S3 non-touch version and its CNC case, a 3D printed back cover, a lithium polymer battery, a 1.25 mm female connector, and a small slide switch. There are two ways to set up the device. First method is uploading the binary files directly to the device, which is very easy. The second method is compiling the code in Arduino. In this tutorial, I will showing you the simplest method, which is uploading the binary to the device. To upload the code, first download the zip file from my GitHub and extract it. After extracting, extract the easy upload code binary folder. Now open this folder and go inside it. Here you will see ESP32 upload.bat file. Double click on the file and then choose run. Now select the number from the list where your COM port is showing and then press enter. The upload process will begin automatically. After the upload is complete, you will see an animated soul appear on the screen. That means everything is working correctly. If you want to compile the code in Arduino IDE, please visit my Hackstep page where I have shared all the details to compile the Arduino code. In the next step, remove the existing back cover of the display. There is one issue. If we connect the on-off switch between battery and the device, the charging feature won't work unless the device is turned on. To fix this, we need to cut enable pin of LDO. After that, we will solder the switch like this so we can turn on the device and turn it off normally. The charging will still work in both cases. Now there is another issue. The USB to UART chip is also drawing current from this pin, which caused the display to flicker. To fix this, we need to cut the trace on the PCB as well. Now we will remove the supports from the 3D printed back cover, and also we will clean the extra plastic from the back cover. Now we will solder this 1.25 mm female connector with the battery. And snap fit the battery into our 3D printed back cover. Now connect the connector of battery to the display. Next, snap fit the slide switch to our 3D print. Now close our 3D printed back cover to the display and finally tight the screws on the back.
Experiments fly, gadgets zooming, touching the sky. One big problem, then a grin. Click, clack, goof, they always win. Circuit sparks, wild and free. Adventure calls, just wait and see. Twirls and swirls, let's take the ride on ElectroDonut side by side. ElectroDonut, here we go. Bright ideas, they steal the show. Boom, boom, bam, it's out of hand. Visual and bot, the coolest band.